Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in today's video I'm going to be going through the biggest mistake that Amazon FBA sellers are currently making. 95% of the sellers that I speak to are making this exact mistake, and I made this exact mistake for more than 2 years when I first started selling on Amazon. And by making this mistake that I'm talking about, you're massively reducing your profit margin. And the mistake that I'm talking about is you're not building your own audience. And by that, I mean that you're selling on a marketplace and depending on the marketplace to provide you the audience, the customers that are going to purchase your products. And it's not only Amazon sellers that are doing this. I speak with a lot of Shopify store owners, and I own my own Shopify store, and I know that people are relying heavily on Facebook's audience when they're selling products on Shopify, that they're simply just using Facebook ads. And that means that they're depending on Facebook's audience in order to get the customers to purchase their products on Shopify. But it's the same for Amazon sellers. Amazon sellers are simply relying on Amazon's traffic, on the customers that are already coming to Amazon to purchase their products. And although this is an amazing way to start and to start making sales for your brand and to get your brand up and going profitably, it is not the way that you should build your business long term, because you are depending on someone else's audience. And I'm not trying to come across all high and mighty like, I've my own audience, I'm doing all this right and you should do it. No, I'm trying to give you tips. It took me years to learn what I'm about to tell you, because I was selling on Amazon my own private label products back in 2013. Back then, I didn't have my own audience. I would just slap my products up on Amazon and start getting a few sales, start getting a few reviews, drive a bit of traffic that way, and then just leave the rest to Amazon. Once my products would rank organically, they would just continue to sell, just based on the amount of traffic that was on Amazon and the limited amount of products that were available. Now, there is more products available on Amazon, but there is also a lot bigger audience of people coming to Amazon looking to purchase products than there was when I started back in 2013. But it is still just as crucial to have your own loyal audience, people that have bought into your brand and that will purchase your products no matter where you sell them. So this way you can decide to sell them on your own Shopify site, you can sell them on Amazon, you can go and sell them on eBay if you want, and you can drive your audience to whichever marketplace or whichever platform you want to sell your products on. And that's the main reason why you want your own audience, because you get to control where you make the sales, you get to control what information you put out on front of your audience, what they see about your brand. And it makes it so simple to launch new products again and again from your brand if you have this audience in place. Whereas if you're just leveraging someone else's audience, then they can put up the price to their audience at any time, and you will have to pay the price unless you have your own audience. And no matter whose audience you're leveraging, there's always a price to pay to get in front of that audience. So in Amazon's case, you pay Amazon a referral fee for every sale that you make. That is because you're using their audience to make sales. With Facebook, you pay for Facebook ads to get out in front of their audience, to show your products off and make sales to Facebook's audience. Again, the same with YouTube. With YouTube ads, you pay to get in front of YouTube's audience. And the same with Google. If you want to get out on the top of Google, you can pay for Google ads to get out in front of Google's audience. But there is also a lot of free ways to do this, and that's what I will be going through over the next few videos. I haven't had a lot of a chance to make a lot of videos lately. I've been working hard on my own business, so I haven't put out a lot of videos on YouTube, but over the next couple of weeks I plan to be putting out a lot of videos, and what I'm going to be focusing on is free ways to build your own audience and to make more sales off your products. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. It's all about having your own audience and being able to drive your audience to make sales off your products. Now that I've been doing this full time for over 2 years, running my own e-commerce business, I've learned a lot of ways to do this, to grow my own audience without spending a lot on advertising to do it. That's what I plan to be sharing with you. So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, then click the subscribe button now, because this is a massive issue and it's only going to become more and more of an issue as time goes on if you don't have your own audience. Only the last day I was speaking with a seller who's got their products stocked and selling by a major retailer in the UK. And I have products sold in retail, but they're only sold by small retailers. This is sold in a major supermarket, this seller that I'm talking about, and he is aware that he is leveraging the supermarket's traffic, the supermarket's audience to make sales of his products while his products are in the supermarket, and he is paying a good price to have his products there. You might say, you know, what is he doing? Is he paying the supermarket to have his products there? No, he's not. But what he's doing, he's giving the supermarket a massive discount. So he's only making 15% profit on any sale he makes. But his products are out in front of millions of customers every day in this supermarket. So it's a great fit for him. But he is paying that price that he is taking a lot less of a profit margin than he's making when he makes sales on Amazon or on his own website when he's selling them in this supermarket. But he is leveraging their customers to make these sales that he wouldn't make if he wasn't in the supermarket. So that's it. I just wanted to make a really short, precise video today just to let you know about something that I've kind of just found out about a lot of people in our space, that they don't actually have their own any kind of size of an audience of people that they can market their products to or show their brand off to. That is a big vulnerability if you're building a brand, because as I have already stated, you know, being able to build on these marketplaces like Amazon is amazing. It's the best place to start, but if you want to grow to the next level, no matter what, you have to have your own audience. And again, there's loads of different platforms that you can build your audience on, and there's different ways to do it on each of the platforms. And that's what I will be focusing on over the next few videos. I'll be showing you how I do it on the different platforms, you know, for an extremely low cost, so that you're not constantly paying for ads and constantly paying the higher price that ads are always going to be. For example, Facebook ads, the price is always going up. Amazon ads, the price is always going up, and that just means that more people want this attention on their products. So you're going to always have to be paying more for this attention, and unless you start building your own audience, then you're going to always have to pay for the attention of someone else's audience. So I will be sharing all of these videos here on YouTube with you. So if you haven't already subscribed, then click subscribe now and you will see a notification when I upload these videos over the next couple of weeks. Also, if you haven't already started your own private label brand and you're looking to do so, you're looking to get started with Amazon FBA, you're looking to start your own profitable, unique private label brand, then you can check out the unique private label course. You can click on the link down in the description and you will see all of the different videos that are inside, and see if it's a course that you would like to take to show you how exactly I go about finding profitable products, getting them from China, sending them into Amazon FBA, and everything else you need to know in order to get your products up and selling profitably on Amazon. Also, I have the advanced private label course. This course is still closed. I'm still updating it. It's going to be amazing when I finally do get it all updated and released with all of the new videos inside. So if you're interested in learning the advanced strategies that I use to increase my sales and profit on Amazon, then you can click on the advanced private label course down in the description and leave your name and email address, and I will email you as soon as it opens. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.